Welcome to the music show.
Welcome to the music show, a place where you can play and grow, and sing and dance, and learn an awful lot. There's songs to hear and lots to see, beats and rhythms, harmony, so much music to make for you and me.
Do not play this drum or else. Gee.
I wonder why.
Hey!
What are you doing?
Oh, hey, Miss Sanchez.
It says, do not touch.
Well, let's see.
Consequences?
Really? The or else part!
Oh no.
Never mind. Like this.
I thought he said something bad would happen. I don't notice anything.
Hey, Jeannie! I don't notice anything. Wait, is that my voice? What happened to my voice?
Not again. Hi, Mr. Hernandez.
I have switched your voices, and in order to switch them back, you need to show me you know the difference between high sounds and low sounds. You have one day to prepare. Good luck.
How do we... Okay. What do we do now?
We need to practice. What makes high sounds?
Well, right now my voice is high and yours is low because we got switched.
What else makes a high sound? I know what we can do. I have some instruments. Let's use them to help us find out.
And because this is totally normal, we need your help.
Okay.
Help us figure out what sounds are high and what sounds are low.
Let's make this a game. What are high sounds and low sounds? Let's go show what you know.
Let's try this sound. Ready? Here we go. Is this a high sound or low sound?
What do you think? High or low sound? If you said high, you're correct. What's next?
What about this one? High or low?
If you said low, you are correct. What is next?
Does this sound like a high or low sound?
If you said low sound, that is a low sound. Y'all are doing excellent.
Is this high sounds or low sounds? What do we hear?
If you said high sounds, you're correct. Last one. Make this count.
What are we hearing this time? High sounds or low sounds?
If you heard low sounds, you are correct. Now, it is time to switch back their voices.
Thank goodness. Whew.
For real?
I got my voice back. I got my voice back.
La 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 la. Woo! Oh yeah. We did get our voices back. Excellent job, y'all. Keep it up until next time. Keep finding and doing all that is good. Good day.
Keep it up.